Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will be telling you about how to fix battery drain problem in your Motorola smartphone. So friends, if you are charging your smartphone while gaming, while playing games in your smartphone, it will definitely heat up your device and drain your battery faster. So avoid these type things. Secondly, if you have enabled, like I show you, here it is. If you have enabled automatic updates in the Play Store or in your mobile, so you have to definitely turn them off. If there is automatic available for Wi-Fi or mobile data, you have to turn it off so it will not drain your battery when you are asleep. So just turn off it. And then secondly, you have to just uninstall heavy task games. If you have downloaded heavy tasking games that does not support your device but it is running, it is definitely drain your battery faster because of the higher software and consumption. So it will definitely drain. So just if you are playing games, do it in medium settings or low settings. Just clear your storage by files by Google. Here it is. And then you have to just delete unwanted unuseful files, images, documents to release some of the space, and then your mobile phone will be uh, will not drain your battery. And secondly, you have to just update your software. If you have any update of application or software, you have to do it and then restart your device and it will be fixed. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.